It's also very nice today on the 15th of July 2025, which I'm here. This is on Pohjoinen Liipolankatu, 14 staircase. We have also been staircases as you can see here before. It's also in Liipola, Lahti, Finland. Built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren, modernized in 2002. Yeah, by Kone without the fixtures. This Impress VS2853 and the capacity is 4 buses or 28 rooms. And the buttons don't beep here, but they don't need to here.
Yeah.
Today they were not so impossible.
Is built by Liipola from Finland and maintained by also nowadays gratis.
Hope that the others will not be too difficult.
Yeah.
There's a more flat green button here also.
Yeah.
Well, that's it, and thank you very much for watching. You can watch the staircase and see on screen.
That's